This is the animation version of Figure 7 of Shaw and Stasna's feature identification in time index model output, which appeared in PLOS 1 in 2019. So just viewing the top here, we have a wave of depression. This is the density profile. We have a wave of depression, and we have a wave train traveling from left to right. And so as the wave of depression travels from right to left and the wave train travels from left to right, they interact, and the much faster wave of depression reflects off the wall and continues, while the wave train spends almost the entire animation traveling from left to right. So that is the animation. We'll play it again. See it goes across, and there's some interaction of the two, of the wave train and the wave of depression. Now, if we consider just the error map at the bottom here, we can see that there aren't a great many disturbances in the error map, right? There's not a lot. There's not a lot in the error map, but what is there is clear. Okay, so as we propagate from left to right with the wave train, there is a spike in the error map as the waves interact. Okay, so that's the first thing to notice. But a larger feature, or more intense feature, you can see that when the wave of depression strikes the wall, there's a great deal of error. Okay, so we continue here as the wave trains interact, right? So as the wave of depression encounters the tail of the wave train, we see a difference in the error map as well. That indicates something worth seeing. And then as the wave of depression overtakes the wave train, we see our biggest feature. Okay, so this whole period here is where the wave of depression is passing through the wave train from behind, indicating that in this whole area there's something worth seeing. That shows up in the error map. Again, we're using the top to explain what we're seeing for tutorial purposes, but in actuality, if you just had the error map, you'd have no trouble identifying that there would be something here that you'd want to study. And then these short but intense bursts of error here again are caused by the reflection of the wave of depression from the wall. We have a short interaction here, and this is caused by the wave train itself striking the wall, and that is the end of the animation.